Hello everyone, my name is Andy and let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform for Wednesday, October 25. For the record, today is Tuesday, October 24. Time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So, like I said yesterday, I would not really use the Dow Jones now for guidance. I would rather look at the Nasdaq to see where the market is going, the market in general. I believe there are too many scenarios in the Dow Jones, too many scenarios possible, both in the higher time frame and in the lower time frame. But however, we might go through some of them, but like the higher time frame, especially for the members who have access to my charts, for the moment, do not look at the higher time frame. It's also not really important. What's important is what we are getting from here. And so I believe we are moving corrective. Here we are still moving corrective. I was not convinced here that this was an impulse, so I still think we will see more corrective price action. The Nasdaq also confirmed this by taking out this low right here. The Dow Jones did not take out the October 4 low. The other indices did, but that does not mean much actually. First of all, like for now, the low here is holding. This low is holding, and also this low is holding, but it could be in the next days or in the next hours. I mean that we take out this low. If the Nasdaq gets a fifth wave down here, then the Dow Jones will also take out this low with a fifth wave down, and then it would mean that we have here five waves down: one, two, three, four, five, as indicated in red. And then I believe we could be doing some kind of A, B, C correction. So then we have five waves as a wave A. If we do not take out this low, which we don't have to, I mean, also the Nasdaq does not really need to take out or to make another low. We already took out the low, so that could mean for the Dow Jones that we get here the WXY scenario as indicated in green. Then here we have a wave W, a wave X up, and then we can have a wave Y down as another WXY structure. But I would favor that if we do not take out this low, like we will know this in the I think in the next hours, or I mean at least by the latest tomorrow, probably. So Wednesday, October 25. If we do not take out this low, then I believe we immediately go to this area here. Then this here becomes our target, and then we would have here a flat structure, a regular flat structure, while the Nasdaq was making an expanded flat structure. Then we can get in the Dow Jones a regular flat structure. So here a wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3. Wave B down, getting quite close to the low, and then an impulsive wave C up into this area. So this is the area that we can find by taking the length of the wave W. Then we have here this area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And so here on the 4 hour, we see that we are breaking out of this downward cycle right here. So that could favor more upside. If we look here at the 1 hour cycle, we are not really moving for the moment, but yeah, that's also quite normal. Like taking off always requires some price action. Like also you see this right here, but then there is a moment that we get into this third wave, and that we really launch. Um, so yeah, let's see. So I would say conclusion is that if we do not take out this low, then I believe we go immediately for kind of the opposite, and then we will head to take out this high right here. For the moment, we are at this wave 4 area. So if we would have this fifth wave down, we only have 3 waves so far. 1, 2, 3, as indicated in red. This here now is our wave 4 area, so it's normal that the bulls and bears are fighting here. And if it holds, then I think then this wave 4 area can be neglected, and then this here becomes our target. But yeah, as long as we are here, I mean, there is still a chance that we get this fifth wave here, a fifth wave down, an impulse down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking out this low, and then we should actually get upside from here after finishing this fifth wave. Then we have 5 waves, and then then the scenario would be probably a wave B to the upside, because then this has been an wave A down. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.